Hi, this is Scott from PetraTools. In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the base of your HD3000 Backpack Sprayer. Let's get started. Sometimes you may need to replace the base of your unit of your sprayer. To complete this project, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. First, for safety, unplug the battery. The battery is located behind a door on the back of the base unit. Open the door and disconnect those battery wires. Next, empty any remaining liquid from the sprayer to prevent spills and unclip the shoulder straps from the base. Lay the sprayer on its side and using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws from the bottom of the orange base unit. Keep these screws in a safe place for reassembling. Once the base is separated, locate the hose connected to the bottom of the tank. Using your Flatblade screwdriver, loosen the hose clamp and carefully pull the hose off the tank connection. With these steps completed, you can now remove the old base unit. Take your new base unit and begin by reconnecting the hose to the bottom of the tank. Push the hose onto the barbed fitting and tighten the hose clamp securely. Neatly tuck the wires around the internal components and place the tank back onto the new base unit. It's easiest to keep the sprayer on its side to reinstall the two screws through the base. Once those screws are tightened, stand the unit back up, reconnect the battery, and clip the shoulder straps back onto the unit. And that's how to replace the base on your HD3000 Backpack Sprayer. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please reach out to our support team at support@petratools.com. Thanks for watching.